What is the positive solution to the given equation where negative 4x squared minus 7x equals negative 36? But where should we start the solution? Step 1. I am going to transpose this negative 36 to the left side. Let's rewrite it. It is going to be negative 4x squared minus 7x plus 36 equals 0. I don't like negative number as the leading coefficient. So I divide all terms by negative 1. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. It is going to be 4x squared plus 7x minus 36 equals 0. Remember, the leading coefficient is not 1. So what should we do? I'm going to take this 4 from the leading coefficient, multiply it by constant term. 4 times negative 36 is negative 144. Now, rewrite the equation as a product of two factors. One factor, two factors. Right side we have 0. The first term of each factor is x. But how can we find second term of each factors? We need a number here, a number here. Do not forget, the product of these two numbers is negative 144, and the sum of them is the coefficient of x. So let's write it. P, the product of these two numbers, is gonna be this number. The sum of these two numbers is gonna be the coefficient of x, or 7. So what are these two numbers? Right, 16 and negative 9. 16 times negative 1, negative 9, negative 144. 16 plus negative 9, positive 7. So let's rewrite this. Two factors, right side 0, first term x, 16 here, negative 9 here. Do not forget, here we multiply the constant term by this leading coefficient. So we need to divide these two numbers by 4. It is going to be x 16 divided by 4 plus 4. X minus 9 over 4 equals 0. Remember, if the product of two numbers is 0, at least one of them must be 0. So I set them equal 0. First one, x plus 4 equals 0, or this one, x minus 9 over 4 equals 0. When x plus 4 equals 0, x is negative 4. When x minus 9 over 4 equals 0, x is 9 over 4. What is our answer? Do not forget, the question says positive solution. So x equals negative 9 cannot be our answer. Our answer is 9 over 4, which means option B. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.